I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Had to rebait the snap trap. The little guys got in there and got all the peanut butter off of it. Nothing in the bucket here in the garage. Nothing in the mower shed. No lights out here. Nothing in the workshop either. So, we're having a good night. There's hardly any caught. We've only caught 4 of them all together. Maybe I'm taking down the herd. Don't think so, but maybe I am.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.